Hi guys! Today I decided to take myself out on a little date with myself. Valentine's Day is in a couple days, so that's what gave me the idea. I always try to inject a little bit of fun into my work week because that's when the best ideas always show up. So, in keeping with the spirit of the week, I thought a little solo date was in order. Nothing fancy, but it will definitely be sweet. Fresh Patisserie is an incredible pastry store that creates the most delicious treats. Honestly, I can never decide if they look better or taste better. It's possibly a tie. And I think I know what I'm going to draw. I can't say that I'm super into Valentine's Day as in the commercialized concept that it has become. I definitely believe in love and in the concept of being in love, both in love with another person, be it a romantic love or a platonic love, as well as in love with yourself. And perhaps the latter is the most important of the three. It's really just about being kind to yourself first and foremost, and treating you the way you would like to be treated by someone else. Because by being kind to yourself, you set the stage for other people to comprehend the way that you deserve to be treated. Observation is such a strong teacher. So when others witness the way you treat yourself with care, kindness, and compassion, it's much more likely that they will, in turn, treat you the same way. So yeah, take yourself out on a little indulging date. Even if you're in a relationship, it's still nice to sometimes just step away from your day's to-do list and indulge a fun little whim. It totally doesn't have to be too fancy. A delicious pastry savored on a sunny urban staircase fits the bill perfectly for me. Besides, everything tastes better when outdoors. So thanks for joining me on this little solo date. I urge you to step away from whatever you're doing and go take yourself out on one too. Not because of Valentine's Day, and definitely not because I've suggested it, but because you deserve to treat yourself like you would treat someone you love. Until next time, bye!